everything for you, even when you blow my fuse. I'll never tire of this view. Come make me forget all feuds, like you always do. Times we drive each other crazy, but I still want you to save me. No one else like this.
Alright you guys, so this is basically the wig now that I'm done with styling her. If I do sound like I'm talking kind of funny, my wisdom tooth, you guys, is killing me right now. And yeah, it's like I need it to come out. The wig that I'm wearing right now for you guys is one of their beginner friendly units. So basically what a beginner friendly wig is basically a wig that comes already with the lace customized for you, the knots bleached, the frontal plucked and tweezed, and it's just ready to be laid down onto your head. So the hairline on this wig does come pre-plucked. It also comes pre-bleached. It does have also an elastic band that's sewn on into the back there. Also, like I mentioned, this wig needs absolutely no customization. The most you can honestly do is just go ahead and add some extra baby hairs like I did. So the way that Hairvivi customizes your hairline is that they don't add any baby hairs to it. They just want the hairline to look as natural as possible. So you definitely have to add the baby hairs yourself. Like I said, it does not come with any baby hairs. Like literally all the hairs, like all back once you get your unit. So if you do want baby hairs, you're gonna have to add them to yourself like I did here. I'm just gonna go ahead and read you guys the details on this wig, like the specific wig that I got from them. So this is their Sierra Sexy Celebrity Style Natural Wave Lace Wig. I did get this here in 18-inch. I'm not too sure if you guys can see how long it is, but I did get it here in 18-inch. The density on this wig is 160. The cap size that I got is size medium. When it comes to like quality hair, they provide you like the best top quality hair, especially when it comes to like glueless lace wigs. I think they personally, like, this is my honest opinion, I'm not being paid to say this or nothing, they have the best glueless wigs. They have the best glueless lace wigs out there right now. So like I said, I'm not getting paid to say this, but they definitely do. I've had, like I said, multiple wigs from them and their wigs have been bomb. They're probably the only company that I could actually, like, after this video, I could actually just put on the wig and go outside without having to glue down the ear tabs or anything like that. This wig on the other side, I did have to go ahead and glue down the ear tabs. I think it's because the elastic band is there, so it's like pushing on the side. So this one, for instance, I did have to glue down the ear tabs, but as far as like the whole centerpiece right here, I didn't have to add any adhesive or nothing like that. And what I did use to lay down my ear tabs over here was just the Got2b Blasting Free Spray. You guys know this is my baby right here. But yeah, as far as like the centerpiece, like the whole center there is cool, as I could literally lift it up. It's not like stuck down onto my head. So the hair is absolutely amazing. There's no shedding, no tangling. The hair definitely takes a curl. As you guys can see, I did go ahead and curl it up with my curling iron, not my curling iron, my flat iron hair. I'm on a lot of pills, you guys, because of my wisdom teeth, so I'm like all over the place. I don't even know, I'm literally like all over the place, so I do apologize. But the hair is amazing. The hair is beautiful. I'm definitely loving the way that it looks, and like I said, it did take the curl pretty well and it just looks really flawless and nice. Also, the hair is really soft and silky, so you can definitely run your fingers through it without having no problem. Like I said, no shedding. Like I'm running my fingers through it right now. No shedding, no tangling. The hair is bomb, you guys, so definitely check them out. Also, if you guys do want to save some extra coins, you can definitely use my discount code, which is KaaylaDee. You get $15 off each purchase from Hairvivi. So I'm actually going to do a video coming up really soon on my top 5 hair companies out there right now, which you guys are always asking me this. I honestly get a lot of DMs, like people really like recommend me like the best hair vendors. So I'm gonna make a video letting you guys know which is like my top 5 hair vendors out there right now. And yeah, that pretty much brings us to the ending of this video. This is definitely a beginner friendly unit. No work is required. Absolutely no work is required when it comes to like installing this unit. You can honestly wear this wig how it came in its natural state as well, which is like the natural wave, or you can go ahead and style it up, add some little curls to it, make it look a little bit more classy and elegant, like my hair looks popping right now. So that pretty much brings us to the ending of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.